Hey there! Are you looking to deny others from sharing your Facebook posts to their story? In this video, we'll show you how to deactivate this feature on your Android phone. To get started, open up the Facebook app on your Android phone. Click on the menu bar in the top right corner of the screen and scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Next, tap on Profile and Tagging. From there, you'll see the option to allow others to share your post to their stories. Simply deactivate this option to deny others from sharing your post to their story. By denying others from sharing your post to their story, you can better control who sees your content and protect your privacy on Facebook. It's important to note that if someone has already shared your post to their story before you deactivated this option, it will still be visible on their story. However, they won't be able to share any future posts from your profile to their story. In summary, here are the steps to deny others from sharing your Facebook posts to their story on Android. 1. Open the Facebook app. 2. Tap on the menu bar in the top right corner. 3. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. 4. Tap on Settings. 5. Select Profile and Tagging. 6. Deactivate the option that says Allow others to share your post to their stories. That's it. By denying others from sharing your posts to their story, you can maintain better control over your online presence and protect your privacy on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on social media and technology.